The origin of the chicken Gallus domesticus can be traced back to a wild bird known as the red junglefowl Gallus, which is native to Southeast Asia, particularly in regions like India, Sri Lanka, and parts of Southeast Asia. This wild bird is the direct ancestor of the modern domestic chicken. Domestication process. Red junglefowl. The red junglefowl has characteristics that resemble those of modern chickens. They typically live in forests, can fly short distances, and are known to live in flocks. They feed on seeds, fruits, insects, and small plants. The rooster male is particularly notable for its red plumage. Domestication of the chicken. Around 10,000 years ago, the red junglefowl began to be domesticated by humans. This process started in Southeast Asia, especially in the mountainous regions of India, Nepal, Myanmar, Thailand, and Vietnam. The early people began to raise wild chickens not just for their meat but also for their eggs. Natural and artificial selection. Over time, humans selectively bred chickens for desirable traits, such as easier handling, reduced flight ability, and increased egg production. This led to the development of the modern domestic chicken, which differs from the wild red junglefowl in terms of size, color variations, and the ability to lay eggs year-round, spread and expansion. Domestic chickens gradually spread across Asia and later the world due to migration, trade, and cultural exchanges. Chickens became integral to many cultures, religions, and festivals, valued for their meat, eggs, and sometimes symbolic roles. Origin of the name. The name chicken in English and go in Vietnamese may come from the bird's characteristics or the sounds it makes, as people often name animals based on their behavior or sounds. For example, cock for males and hen for females are terms commonly used in English, which might reflect the bird's role in human life. In conclusion, the chicken's origin traces back to the red junglefowl in Southeast Asia. Its domestication began around 10,000 years ago, and through selective breeding, chickens became a vital source of food and culture worldwide. Today, chickens are one of the most important domesticated animals, providing meat and eggs, and playing significant roles in various cultural and religious practices.